Same thing. Let's go again. Come on. Let's go again. We gotta get this thing walk up. We gotta get it walk up now. Let's go. Boy, all my arms in the screen. We had to go in the ground. Do that whole screen. They make Dolly do 50. Oh, Jesus. That dude was getting tight. When I didn't go on but 40 times. That dude was getting tight. They meant say 5 more to go. Let's go. Back to number 1 again. They make this thing over number 1. Straight out of here, 50. That dude went fast 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I had to go, and listen, the man say, boy, let me take a picture of your kid back and show the elegant church. I can show the elegant priest. I say, look at the elegant church server. I say, boy, I'll go back and show Ken and Mark Kendall, the comedian boy. Hey, I had too much to do. We had to laugh too much. Then after that, you know what they say? Jose. Jose. Don't everybody look at the retarded boy. They do Jose too bad, dog. Hey, you just can't have to do everybody too bad. They make Jose feel bad, though. Tell Jose, but look at the retarded boy. Why they make Jose do bad, boy? They said the way he looked like side of night. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Alicia getting the time. Alicia pick up a big around. This is just hey, where that big old gal go? Where that big old grandma go? Hey, I had a lot of them. Maybe the big old grandma go. Hey, the grandma go home with me. Alright, tell grandma, she's gonna come back now. You know what? I'll come back now with the police station.
Maquela kill y'all.
Huh?
Maquela kill me.
Oh,
Maquela.
But you know, kill me.
Black Diamond.
Hey, Tyson kill me though. Tyson say, you just kill me. This how they was. So they were shaking. Let me say, well, Jose said he's good boy. Jose got that leg. Jose had to go pee.